What are you wearing?
2 coats and my pajama, my orange pajama, and
You wearing pajamas and a wolf hat and boots. Hold on, buddy. Hi, welcome to Mughat Farms. It is cold. I bet it's in the 30s right now. It is just downright freezing.
Actually, it's in the 40s.
No, it's in the 30s, buddy. Just because the temperature on Mom's phone says it's 41 doesn't mean it's 40 degrees. We got a lot of chores to get done. We got some bottling to get done, and we're going to take some sheep to market today. Hey, why don't you get that gate?
That one right there. Hello, cut it. Hello. Where's the chicken? I'm scared if you're gonna run over. Whoa.
Get out, Odie. Get out, Odie. Oh my gosh, that's hot water. We got hot water outside and it's really, really nice. One of the benefits of having that outdoor furnace is you just never run out of hot water. Oh my stars, it's hot. I want to make sure that I get as much poop out as I can. Poop really lends itself to rust. And I don't want everything rusted out. It's so fast, right? Now this is done, I'm going to chase some sheep. I know, I chase sheep all morning, but I want to make sure that the boys are not getting in with the girls. So I'm going to head on down and see if I can get them. Make sure nobody's in there, let me say that. If they're in there, then I've got to chase sheep. On our farm, it's the sum of the parts that make it all work. So we have a B&B, we do some maple syrup, do a few animals here and there, and it's all together. That's what makes our income. What's up, big clicker? Right now I'm heading back up to the barn in order to get some wood so I can fix the fence so the animals quit coming in. All right, this is Big Dog right here. I call her Big Dog because that's what she acts like. One big dog. All right, you don't be messing with my camera, man. Oh. There's 2 of them. There it goes. Heading back to Norfolk. I think that's good. What are you doing, big dog? Where's my hug? Do I get a big old hug? Come here. Where's my hug? Where's my hug? Where's my hug? Whoop. There you go. I'm gonna pet you here. Right here. Does that feel good? You want both sides? Want to waddle? Want to waddle? Give me that waddle, big dog. She really needs more hugs. I don't see any more sheep in here. We're gonna go make sure there's no boys messing with the girls. Butterfly! While I'm down here, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the gate so everybody can get out. That didn't feel good. I'm gonna head up to the sheep shed and see if there's any boys with the girls. If they are, I'm gonna get them out. Got it? Hold it tight, buddy. Hold it. You got the top is open. You got to be careful. Where that is. Hold it close. Got it? How many more do we got to do?
Okay, we did how many days did we do? One.
No, here. Here, buddy. Got it? Okay. All right, hold on. Now, what else we gotta do, Gabe?
Nothing.
We gotta say thanks for watching our video.
And we're playing on the trampoline.
No, we're not playing on trampoline. We're gonna chase some chickens though and put them up. That's for sure. We're gonna do that.
You push them to me, I'll jump.
We'll grab them. We'll get those. We'll get the chickens up. That way that they're not roosting on our front porch anymore. What do you think?
And pooping.
Yeah, pooping. That's exactly why we're getting the chickens up. All right. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Do consider giving us a thumbs up. And until next time.
God bless you.
What'd you say?
God bless you.
God bless you. All right. Come here. That worked out better than I thought it would.
Are you gonna bounce on the trampoline?
No, I'm gonna go watch the Waltons.
No.
What do you got in your arms, Gabriel?
A lovely chicken.
A little chicken. Let's put him in the. Let's put her in with Gunny.
Throw him up in the air.
You ready?
Go open.
Put him in there. Put her in. Watch out, buddy.
Daddy, we bounce. We're not watching the Waltons.
Oh, we're not? Okay, I'll bounce for a couple minutes. I'm only gonna do a couple minutes.
Okay. Get the camera ready and see how Hey, Isabel. Daddy, you know what? Hey, Daddy, take off your food.
Oh my God.
She had one. She had I didn't bounce. Like you can't after. You know I haven't bounced yet. I'll tell you.
Hit the start, buddy.
Everybody get up. Everybody get up first. Everybody Pick it up. 3, 2, 1. Not bouncing. Bounce higher. Bounce higher.
Oh! Almost went down.
I have never fallen down. Whoa! Whoa!
Keep going.
Oh! You still have 5 minutes.
What? No way.
Yes.
Oh man. Oh.
You still have 5 minutes. Welcome. Hello. That was the best day ever.